Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. So today I was thinking about, since I have two black bags now from Chanel, so I wanted to just compare and then show you guys how does it look like when I try it on both bags. So I will try Chanel 19 large size black. I'm also gonna try the mini flat bag. So I'm gonna show both. You can see more shot. Also, you can check how big or how small.
For your information, I'm 5.4 feet. So when I was using both, the 19 bag, which is large size, it's really like versatile. You can put so many things, like all the essential. So I loved it. And Square Mini was perfect for crossbody, so I used it for traveling a lot. Let me compare the size. The bottom length of Square Mini is 6.6 inch and the bottom length of 19 is 11.7 inch. Now let's compare the width. The Square Mini is 3.1 inch and the 19 is 3.9 inch. At the back, they have same smile shaped pocket. You can put cell phone in 19. Are you team of big bag or mini bag? I can't choose one. I like both in different reasons. For both, I love to wear casual style than like a feminine style. For me, it really works. So 19 bag is like daily bag, perfect for daily. And Square Mini, I would say perfect for traveling. Because you can put like many things in the big bag, but you can put like essential thing like key or card only in mini square. Close-up shot. The diamond quilting is pretty much different. Square Mini has more dense diamond pattern, so it makes more like structured look. 19 bag has a big pattern. Let's check it out. CC logo. 19 bag has gold tone. Square Mini has champagne gold tone. How about the strap chain? Square Mini, the strap chain is all one tone as a champagne gold tone. But 19 bag has three different tones: gold tone, silver tone, and ruthenium finish metal. Now let's check inside. Square Mini has two pockets. One is zipper, made in Italy. 19 bag has red lining. I like the red color. And the one zipper pocket. And it's made in France.
So how was it? Hopefully it helped you to choose either 19 large bag. I think 19 large bag, medium, small, pretty much snug fit. So either you want big bag like 19 large bag, or either you like mini flat bag like Square Mini. So I would say the Chanel 19 bag, you can either hold like tote bag like this, or you can wear shoulder bag. I prefer that way because when I tried it on as a crossbody bag, it looks a little bit short, and also this is big size, so it looks so bulky when you try crossbody. So I don't recommend to use as crossbody bag, but tote bag, shoulder bag, perfect. And you can dress up and down. You can wear any style, dress, jean, or fit. And yeah, this Square Mini bag, also I really highly recommend. First of all, this quilting is totally different. 19 quilting is very like big, like this. But this one, more dense, I would say. And then, even though it's the same lambskin, see this? The texture looks totally different. Chanel 19 is not that shiny than this mini flat bag. So I don't know why. They might use a different maybe technique for the surface. I am not sure. I need to figure out about it. So both are lambskin, but the small flat bag has more sheen for some reason, and it has more like Chanel's like signature quilting, diamond shape all over. But this one, even though there is diamond shape, it doesn't look like a diamond shape. It's just like the bag is more like natural look. This one has more like signature look of Chanel, I would say. So yeah, it's up to what kind of style you like. Also, I need to tell you actually about my baby blue classic medium bag. So actually I've sold it this year, like the end of December. I've sold it. Reason why I really prefer either really big bag so that I can put anything and then wear really daily, or I wanted this like a kind of cute bag as a crossbody bag, and I can also hold maybe some other like tote bag, casual tote bag, but still I can wear this, you know, as a crossbody bag, as a like kind of fashion. Like it can be a part of outfit, I would say. So I really like this small bag because it has a pretty big space. Like width is pretty longer than I thought. So I really liked it. So I like this both bag. I cannot choose one, I would say. But I didn't like classic medium size because it fits same as this bag. Yeah, I can really say it fits same as this bag because this width is shorter than mini flat bag. Classic medium bag fit almost same as square mini bag. Yeah, for me when I try it on, because it's very narrow here. So classic bag is very narrow here, so it didn't fit a lot. Even though you put things like Lego block, it doesn't really fit a lot. Same as this, pretty much. And then $3,000 more expensive than mini flat bag. So I would choose this one. So I decided to sell classic mini medium, but I don't regret because I really have a like daily bag, which is 19 bag. So I can use this like really like every day. This one kind of special day, but still really good with the jean. Like just both I think works for dress up and down, but this one is more like casual look, match with the casual look because you can wear like sweatshirts and jean and just wear this. It's gonna be perfect. Also dress gonna work together, but this one is really for daily. This one kind of special day, but it doesn't need to be special day. It still works for daily and special day. Yeah, so I really recommend both bag, but personally I tried to use classic medium size. It didn't work for me, so I had to let it go. So yeah, I'm just telling you, for me, mini bag, large bag, both worked. Thank you so much. I start to see more subscriber, and for me, every single person is really a big help for me. So thank you so much, and thank you for watching as well. So yeah, please subscribe. Even though you don't subscribe, please like or enjoy my video and turn on notification. Yeah, have a good weekend. See you next week. Bye.